Tito Bridge, named after the president of ex-Yugoslavia, Joseph Broz Marshal Tito. Originally, the bridge was built in the year 1911 by the Austro-Hungarian monarchy. So this part of the city is like the modern part of the city. The first name of the bridge was the Prince of Franz Ferdinand, king of Austro-Hungarian monarchy, who was assassinated in Sarajevo, and because of whom started World War I.
Is that the actual reason why World War I started?
Yes, yes.
I mean, like one of the main reasons.
One of the main. So there are more reasons before it, but like after that, that was like the button for the real start.
And like the Latin Bridge, you probably saw it in Sarajevo. Like it's just like close to your hotel, you know.
The name of the river is Neretva. It's the coldest river in the world, proclaimed by National Geography.
As I said.
By the source, it is just 3 degrees here in the city in the summertime, from 10 degrees till to 12 degrees. It depends.
Teško nama era neko, teško nama ko lokalcima vjerovat da je najhladnija, a kamoli njima.
It's a mountain river, that's why it is very, very cold. A šta je uzak, je usik skoro sutki. Onda teče brzo i onda zato ne grije se. Iza tamo jezera, vještačka jezera što se branama na to. The bridge that we right now pass it, it's one of the newest in the city. It was built in the year 1986 to make it in the old town more comfortable. Because local people started to complain about the crowdness and everything.
I was born there.
On the left side, after the trees over there, you will see the second oldest house in the city, Biščevića house, or the Ottoman house.
The green one or the...
Right now you cannot see it because of the tree. You will see it built on 2 tombs.
The sewage of the city doesn't go into the river, does it? Or
sorry?
The sewage of the river.
Odvod, kanalizacija.
After the war, a lot of people built their homes because they were kicked out from their old homes. And at that time, it was like anarchy, so everyone pushed everything into the river. But in 2014 started one project, so to make like the filters and everything. So they removed a lot of them from the river. So now the river is quite clean. That's the house.
Oh wow! So
built in the year 1635.
Is there a family living there now still?
No, it's more like a museum. But it's like private house owned by one person. And here in the wall you can see prisons from the Austro-Hungarian time.
Oh really?
You can see like these 3 windows.
Bro, they're a good view, man.
Good view, but very cold, trust me. And here this is like the oldest part of the city. People lived here even before the Ottomans. So when Mostar was just a village with 19 houses and one wooden bridge on the same position where the famous old bridges.
Look how fast we go.